In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust settings in individual groups in which you are a member so that you can automatically share impacts. If you participate in service or philanthropy on your own and would like to receive credit for that effort with a particular group, such as a fraternity or sorority, you can adjust your impact sharing settings so that all of your hours are visible to specific groups. In the header bar at the top of the BearPulse page, you click on My Activity and select Groups from the drop-down menu. This brings up a list of all the groups in which you're a member in the BearPulse platform. Once you locate the group that you want to adjust settings for, you would click the drop-down arrow on the right side of the row and select More Options from the menu. Here you have three choices. If you choose Ask to Share Impacts, that means that the group admin can send you a request to view your impacts, and you can choose at that time whether or not to share. You can choose Always Share Impacts, which means that every impact that you log within BearPulse will be visible to this particular group admin. Or you can choose Never Share Impacts, which would maintain the highest level of privacy for you for this particular group. If you want to make individual adjustments to impact sharing settings on an as-needed basis as you submit specific impacts, you can make adjustments in the Add Impact form. So here I'm going to pull up the Add Impact form and scroll down to the bottom. The last section is Sharing and Privacy Settings. So here, if I have any group set to Always Share Impacts, that'll automatically share my impacts, they'll be listed here. If I don't want them to have access to this particular impact, I would just click the X and eliminate from the list. If there's a group that I want to share this particular impact with, but not all of my impacts, I can type them in here, and if I am a member of that group, they will come up in the search bar and I can share with them that way.